tooth fairy? Here, I'll hold it. Okay, keep going. Is it new underwear?
It's heavy. And you call yourself a beer drinker.
Okay,
And you call yourself a beer drinker. What do you think about that? Can you smile?
That's pretty cool, Cal.
Can you smile?
We should take the beer away from the child.
She's had enough this
Oh,
weekend.
now he's smiling. Hey, hey.
Keep going, yeah.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think
He
you're
says,
going?
I see presents opening.
We have to get that tooth out.
I got some pliers.
He's getting a choo-choo. No, he's getting a car. Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
Here, one foot. Oh, tape over here. Okay, pull it.
Look, Kevin, look.
Oh, it's heavy. It's like a buggy.
It's a Jeep.